Okay, now I will share the agenda. Okay, so we now have the agenda. First, we can start with open discussions. I don't think there's anything there for EMEA, but if anyone here would like to discuss any of these on this call, I see that Mateo has one for feature blog freeze, call for exceptions, add any comments and suggestions about the release process to the retrospective docs so we can discuss. So this is just a reminder. Does anyone else have anything to add related to this or to any other topics for open discussion? If not, we can move on to the team updates. So we can start with enhancement with Unji. Did I say that correctly, by the way?
I don't think they are on the call.
Okay. Okay, so this is enhancement, so their status is yellow. So hopefully that will be discussed later on in the US EMEA update. Okay, so let's move on to release signal with Changhao.
Okay, our release signal, our status is green. And last week we have the 3 failing tests, the 2 of which are the Kube API server cloud provider could clean their code. So, and other ones is the problem with the signal end-to-end test, and both which are now being fixed. And next release, cause 1.33 APA 3 will happen on March 4. And we starting to send out the first reminder for the code freeze. And the second reminder will be sent 3 days before the code freeze. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions for release signal before we move on? If not, we can move on to docs.
Hey everyone, Ryan this side. So our status is green, kind of in between green and yellow. So the weekly branching PR is merged now, and we have raised the Alpha 2 release notes PR, which we are getting reviews from our team members. And tomorrow is, 27th is the deadline to raise placeholder docs PRs. And we have around 29 caps with no draft PRs right. As of now. And we are planning to reach out to respective SIG leads about raising the placeholder PRs. So yeah, that's all from us.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Any questions for docs? If not, we can move on to comms. It doesn't.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Akansha from Comms team, and the current status for our team is green. The progress can be found in the GitHub issue of the release cycle subteam for Comms, and the discussion and issue ticket for the release highlights are created, and communication has been assigned to each member. Blog opt-in reach out tentatively has been assigned to each member, and catch up with the enhancement team was planned for this week, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So we'll try to cover that in sometime later days. For reference, the sneak peek blog will likely need to be arranged. Thank you.
Thank you, comms. Any questions before we move on for comms? Okay, so now let's move on to release branch management. Doesn't seem that we have much here. Business as usual. Next week, we will cut another alpha, the third one. The next update would be for Emeritus Advisor. Again, no major updates, just sitting on this PR, given the changes. Okay, in that case, I think we've reached the end of our updates, so I will stop recording.